Hey Tiger family, Micah Taylor here with the District Administration Office. I'm the Director of School Innovation. We're going to make a frog today. These things are awesome. I learned these whenever I was in second grade. They hop, make them all different sizes. Any kind of paper you have will work. I'm going to walk you step by step how to do this. You do not need scissors. I'm going to tell you when you possibly could use scissors, but we're good to go. So sheet of paper, what we want to do is get this into a square first. So easy way to do that is to take a sheet of paper, fold the top corner down, line the edge up for you, and fold it like this. And what we're going to do is get rid of this piece of paper right here. That's where the scissors come in. You can cut it off. I like to just fold it off and then tear it off because I don't want to have to go find scissors if I want to do this, while I'm in a meeting or, sitting at a restaurant with a spare sheet of paper. So fold this, unfold the whole thing. I like to crease this a couple times. Just makes it easier to tear off. And then give it a little quick tear. If you get some gaps in it, it's not that big of a deal. See, like that, got a little nubbins there. It's okay, doesn't have to be perfect. We're just making a frog out of paper. So I have my square, fold it in half. I like to pick mine up and get it nice and even. So now we have a nice tall rectangle. Fold this down, the top down to the bottom, making ourselves a square again.
James and Emily say hi.
Oh, hi James and Emily, those are my kiddos, love you. So, got a square, we're gonna fold this top part back up again. And we're gonna take this top half and we're gonna fold it to the middle crease we just created. So just halfway down the paper here. Now we have a little tiny rectangle there. We're gonna unfold it again. Lots of unfolding here. Now what we wanna do is take both of these corners and fold them down to the middle, one at a time. So top right corner, fold it down to the middle. You always wanna make your edges on the side nice and straight. It'll make your frog nice and clean at the end. So fold that triangle down, unfold. Now we're gonna do the top left corner too. There's our triangle again, unfold it. Now this is our first semi-complicated step. We're gonna do what's called an accordion fold. So you push these in. And then flatten out. And what we're doing is we're making the head of our frog. Boom, nice little right triangle there. That's the head, what will become the head of our frog. Now we take the bottom edge and we're going to fold it up to the middle. And then we're going to do a middle fold here. You can imagine that there's a little line in the middle that we're going to fold these outside edges in. And so you're going to take this outside edge, fold it down to the middle. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. So now we have a little triangle head, a little body here. We're going to fold the bottom edge again up to the middle. So now we have a nice little rectangle under our triangle. And we're going to fold these corners down to the bottom here. So fold down, fold down. So what we get is we get two little triangles here. We got a triangle at the bottom, big triangle at the top. And then this is the only real tricky step here. We're going to do a pull out. So you grab the little triangle and you pull it out. And what we're doing is we're making our legs here. So pull it out. We're going to do the same thing on this side. Pull out. Basically you get kind of what looks like a sailboat. Kind of got the boat and then you got the sail up here on top. And we're going to fold the legs down. And then you have two little creases here, one right here, one right here. We're gonna fold these legs up to meet those creases. So the inside goes out to that line, gives us a little leg. Same thing on this side. Now you have two little legs. Now we need the top legs. These are kind of however you feel. If you want a little long, kind of skinny leg, you do it that way. I usually do mine out to the side like this. And then one like this. You could stop here if you wanted to, but he's not fun because he doesn't jump. And so we want to make him jump. So you're going to take the bottom legs and fold them across the middle of his body, put his feet up by his face, like he's doing a crunch. And then you're going to fold this little rectangle in half. And then we get a nice little springy frog. Woo! Again, you can do this in all kinds of sizes. These make great little love notes. We need love notes in our life right now. So you can take a frog, put it on a sheet of paper. I'm happy, Hoppy, you're in my life. And now you got a frog. Thanks for joining us. We're happy you joined us. And be safe out there. We love you guys.